Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced, and this is another video in my sort of Svelte 102 series, just talking about some more advanced topics. Another advanced topic I want to talk about is like custom events. If you've used Vue or Angular, custom events are a good way to send data up the component tree. So essentially, you would pass data down as props, okay, to a component, and then the lower components could bubble up events that would travel up the component tree. In React, you would just have to send down functions. All of these are options in Svelte, along with stores and contexts. Now, the way this would work, so we have mount, which is right now currently being rendered by app. So I'm going to clear out mount for a moment. Okay. And what we're going to want is something else from Svelte, create event dispatcher. And what we're going to do is create a event dispatcher. So we'll say const dispatch equals create event dispatcher. Okay. And this creates a function. Dispatch now becomes a function that can dispatch an event. Okay. So going forward, I want to make a button here. Okay. I'm going to make a button here. And what this button does, say, dispatch. We're going to do on click equals a custom event. Okay, so we're going to pass it an arrow function. So I'm too lazy to write a separate function. Okay. Okay, now this function I'll write dispatch. Okay, and the first argument should be the function event. So we're going to say I'm sending it happened. And then I think the second thing is data that you receive. Let me just go double check the docs. Yeah, so you can send you can send some data. It's the second argument. Okay. Cool. Okay. And what that does is it becomes part of the detail property of the event object. So in this case, what I can do is it happened. I'm just going to send an object with the string hello. Actually, I'm not going to even send an object. I'm just going to send the word hello. Okay. So basically, when that event, when I click the button, it's going to dispatch an event called it happened, and with it, it comes hello. So now I go back to app.svelte, where that mount component, and I'm going to listen for an event on mount, because that's where that event would be emitted. So I'm going to say on it happened equals, then I'll pass in an event here, and we'll just say event. Okay, and it tries to do that again. In this case, what I want to do is I'm going to alert event.detail. Okay, again, this detail property is being added to event by the custom DOM event. Okay, so then I save that. Let's go back to the code here. So if I hit dispatch, hello, see, it receives the payload. Okay, so the event is occurring in app because the event is described in app, but the event is being emitted from mount. Okay, so this way you can send data up the component tree to, because it'll bubble up to its parent and to its parent, and you can kind of listen. Or usually the safest way to go is that you listen to the event on the parent, which then dispatches another event that is then listened to by the parent and whatnot. Typical pattern in like Vue. But again, really good for like small exchanges of information. If you have a lot of data that's going to be in a lot of places, then you might want to use the stores or contexts. So my name is Alex Merced. This is a Svelte 102 video. Go join the Discord or Slack channel over there at devnursery.com. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, And yeah, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff. Alex Merced Coder is the username, and I'll see you there. Thank you very much.